I'm Zainah Manaf, originally from Baling Kedah. I run a satay business specializing in making and selling frozen satay and frozen peanut sauce in household consumer portions. My factory is based in Langkawi and my biggest consumer market is the Klang Valley. Our products include chicken satay, beef satay, lamb satay and peanut sauce. Our satay was established by my late father in 1991. At that time, he was producing it at a small shop lot. We only cater for the local market. When I took over the business in November 2011, I aspired to grow the business from that small shop lot to a proper factory. In 2013, we moved to a 4,800 square foot facility. We are considered new in KL market. It can be very tough to compete with those established brands. We also have to know how to capture those more savvy customers, have to adapt to the current trends using the right platform to advertise the product. We also have a storage issue because we have a small shop lot that can only occupy like 3 or 4 freezers. So we have to store the stocks somewhere else. At the same time, of course, the logistic issue to transfer the goods from Langkawi Island to mainland. Of course, we have to use a cold truck. We also have to ensure our factory is able to produce when the market calls for it. Last but not least, it's very important. As you all know, Langkawi is one of the duty-free islands in Malaysia. So goods processed and supplied from Langkawi into Malaysia will be taxable and duty-free. We also would like to make Terra Grill a household brand in Malaysia, and we are considering to add more products to the lineup, and of course, our long-term plan to penetrate overseas market.